In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupon code to Booking.com wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your coupon is safely saved in your wallet and ready to use on eligible bookings. First, open a web browser and head to the official Booking.com website. Using the latest version of your browser and a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that to open your account menu. If you're not signed in yet, you may be prompted to do so before you can continue. This is normal because wallet features are tied to your account. From the profile menu, select Rewards and Wallet. This takes you to your wallet dashboard, where you can view your available balance, rewards, and any credits tied to your account. It's a good place to verify what you already have and to keep track of new coupon credits as you add them. On the wallet page, find and click Add Coupon into Wallet. The wording may vary slightly by region or language, but it will be clearly related to adding a coupon or voucher. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the code you received. Now, enter your coupon code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to capital letters, numbers, and any hyphens. Codes are often case sensitive and extra spaces can cause errors. If you copied the code from an email or message, double check that you haven't included a trailing space. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to quickly review any terms that came with your coupon, like expiration dates, minimum spend, or restrictions on properties or travel dates, so you know when and how it can be applied. After typing the code, follow the on-screen prompt to submit it. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation on the page, and the value will appear in your wallet as credit or a reward. When you make an eligible booking in the future, Booking.com will automatically apply wallet credit at checkout according to the coupon's rules. If you receive an error, carefully re-enter the code and verify the terms. Common issues include expired codes or regional limitations. If you still can't add it, check the help center for guidance specific to your coupon type. That's all you need to do. Head to Booking.com, open your profile, go to Rewards and Wallet, choose Add Coupon into Wallet, and enter the code carefully. Thanks for watching and enjoy your savings on your next trip.